So, guys, um, I just want to give, I want to talk a little about my journey in the forex market, right? So, at the beginning of this year, 2025, I decided to trade only USD pairs, right? I decided to trade only USD pairs, not really all the USD pairs, just about five of them. Now, I'll mention them: USD CAD, that is US dollar versus the Canadian dollar; Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and NZD, that is New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. These five pairs are my main pairs and only pairs I decided to trade from the beginning of this year. And I can tell I have grown unimaginably. Like I can't measure, or I can't assess the level at which I have grown in comparison with last year. And I see that the reason is mainly because I decided to focus on few pairs, and few pairs that correlate, right? These are USD pairs, and they are also called the major pairs in the currency in the forex market. If you're a trader, you should know this. I decided to stick just to USD pairs, and my God, my profitability has really increased greatly. I'm telling you, and I'm doing very well, right? However, I am not where I want to be. I am still in the process of getting to where I want to be in the forex market, right? My journey in the forex market. But my trades, my risk management, my analysis, everything I do in the forex market is different. And I realize that the reason is this: I now stick to fewer pairs. And let me tell you, out of these five pairs, I give more concentration to just three pairs out of these five I mentioned earlier that I trade. I give more concentration to EU, AU, and NU, GBP, USD, and USD CAD. I really don't concentrate on them. So I can't even remember when last I traded those two pairs. But just these three, I give more concentration. And oh my God, I tell you, my profitability and everything in the forex market has increased exceedingly well. And I think it's one of the problem of forex traders trading so many pairs. There are a lot of currency pairs. For those that trade only currency, like me, I trade only currencies. I don't bother about gold, oil, Nasdaq, and the rest. Only currency I trade. So even people who trade indices, stocks, commodities, metals, and the rest, I think if you stick to fewer pairs, you'll be able to understand the nitty-gritties of these pairs. You'll be able to understand the fundamentals of these pairs, and your mind will be at ease. Less distractions, less noise in the forex market. These are the advantages sticking to fewer pairs. Before, I thought, I could trade. Before, I had about 20 something pairs on my watch list, and I want to trade everything. Anywhere I see set up, I want to trade. But I just have losses back to back. Though I've been trying to make profit sometimes, I try to make profit, but I see that even when I will catch a very good setup, it will really take a lot out of me, because monitoring how many pairs, like 25 to 30 pairs at once in the forex market, just to catch a good setup, it's crazy. It's very crazy. But sticking to fewer pairs is the best. Like, fewer pairs is the best. Just, I would advise, if you can manage just three pairs, stick to three pairs. And the pairs, they should be the three pairs you are going to stick to. They should be pairs that correlate. I don't know if you get me. For instance, if you want to stick to any JPY pairs, you can just stick to three JPY pairs, right? So if you want to stick to USD pairs, stick to three USD pairs. Like me, I have 5 USD pairs only that I trade, but then I still narrow it down still to 3. I trade 3 mainly. Those are the 3 that I really put my attention on. Those other ones, then the 2, like I mentioned earlier, I may trade them if I wish to, but I put my attention more on those 3 I mentioned earlier. So trading fewer pairs will give you rest of mind. These days I sleep very well. Before I ain't dey sleep. I want to watch it because I'm trading Asian pairs that move very well in Asian sessions, like all these AUD, CHF, AUD pairs, NZD pairs, and CHF pairs. They move very well in Asians because they are mainly traded in Asian sessions. Those are their sessions. So Asian sessions, I want to catch pairs. I want to catch trade there. I want to trade those pairs. London sessions, I want to trade pairs like EU and GBP that moves very well in London sessions. Then New York session, American session, I want to catch moves also. I need to sleep well and everything. It takes a lot out of me. But these days I sleep very well. I don't care about if I want to trade during Asian session. I leave what I want to do for the day and then wake up. Asian session is our own midnight, right? Let's say 1 a.m. 2, 3, 4 a.m. So I wake up then and then I trade. So sticking to fewer pairs will actually help you a lot, right? If you really improve your profitability and your confidence, because these pairs you will really understand them. And when you understand them, you are good to go. So one of the secrets to the forex market, or secret in forex trading, I really want to expose that have really helped me is sticking to fewer pairs. Fewer pairs gives you more concentration, gives you more accuracy, and it gives you rest of mind. It gives you peace. It gives you the in-depth knowledge of those pairs that you have chosen to trade. So fewer pairs, good. Thank you.